Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you take a bite? How does a simple burger turn into energy for your body? Well, get ready, because today, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey of the human digestive system. Did you know that your body is home to an amazing 30-foot-long digestive highway? And it all starts with a single bite. Let's break it down. Mouth and saliva. The journey begins in your mouth, where your teeth crush the food into smaller pieces, while saliva kicks in to start digestion. Fun fact, your saliva contains enzymes that break down food before it even reaches your stomach. Esophagus. Next stop, the esophagus. This muscular tube works like a slide, pushing food down into your stomach with wave-like movements called peristalsis. Ever felt food going down slowly when you eat too fast? That's your esophagus at work. Stomach. Now, let's talk about your stomach. This is where the real magic happens. Stomach acid and digestive enzymes break food down into a thick liquid called chyme. It's like a blender that prepares the nutrients for absorption. Small intestine and nutrient absorption. From here, the food enters the small intestine, a 22-foot-long tube responsible for absorbing all those essential nutrients. Tiny finger-like structures called villi grab nutrients and send them into your bloodstream. This is how your body gets energy. Large intestine and waste removal. But what about the leftovers? That's where your large intestine comes in. It absorbs water and turns the remaining waste into, well, you know, the stuff that exits your body. And that, my friends, is how your digestive system fuels your body every single day. So next time you take a bite, remember, you're feeding an incredible biological machine. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more cool science facts. See you in the next one.